Right, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why your Shopify store is making no sales whatsoever. But better yet, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can improve on these so you can start making sales right away. Let's get into it. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, the Beast of Ecom, back with another video, dropping nothing but value bombs for you guys to help you make more money online. Now, if this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, hello and welcome. Please do remember to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date for when I drop my latest videos. So today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why your Shopify store is making no sales. Okay, now I see these problems all of the time. I go over and again. Now what I'm going to actually do is, because I'm a helpful guy, is actually improve on these tips so you can start making some sales. So make sure you stay to the end, because if your website is actually making one of these mistakes, then it's probably the reason why you're making no sales at all. So let's jump into it. So the first mistake that you might be making is your product descriptions. Okay, now it's super important to make sure that your product description is actually right and that it actually converts. Now what I see a load of people doing is they literally just copy and paste. They may go to AliExpress or wherever they're sourcing their product from, find the copy and literally just copy it right from there and then paste it onto their website. If you're doing this, you're doing things wrong. Okay, please stop it. Now what you need to be doing is actually making the product description want to convert people into buyers. Okay, now I know that you might be asking me, okay, so how do I do that? Now I'm going to give you a proper tip. What you need to be doing is actually describing the product so that it sells. Now, what I mean by that is actually talking about the benefits of the product to the consumer. Okay, you got to remember, people are on Facebook, they're scrolling through, they may see something that catches their eye. They then click on the advert, they land on your product page and they see the product. Okay, now if you're just listing all of the features of the product, okay, let's say for example it's a car, for example, and you're talking about it's got heated seats, it's got satellite navigation and whatever it may be. Okay, if you're just listing those features, you're not actually selling it to the consumer. Okay, what you need to be selling is the benefits. Now what are the benefits of these things? Now once you get the head around the difference between the features and the benefits, that's when you actually start making sales. Okay, so the benefits of having heated seats is that it keeps your ass it keeps your ass warm in the cold. Okay, and the benefits of satellite navigation is that you can travel anywhere in the country without getting lost. Okay, they are the benefits. So start actually describing the benefits when you're talking about a product. Okay, let's say for example, again, you've got a product that solves someone's problem. Now, if they land on a product page, instead of talking about the features, it don't make any sense to talk about the features of the product. What you need to be talking about, first and foremost, is pushing on those pain points, okay? Once you're pushing on those pain points, then talk about the benefits of owning this product, actually solved. So let's say, for example, here is the problems, okay, that the consumer is having, and here is the solution. What you need to be doing is your product description is supposed to bridge that gap. Now, once you can learn how to start bridging those gaps, that's when you start converting people into sales. Okay, now number two is going to be badly designed websites. Now, if your website is badly designed, you are not going to make sales. It's as simple as that. There is no reason whatsoever to have a bad designed website. Okay, now you don't have to be a graphic designer. Okay, you don't have to be good on Photoshop, you don't have to be good on Illustrator, you don't even have to be able to create your own logo. Okay, there are people out there that can do that for you, and we're not even talking about charging you an arm or leg. Now they will be if you're doing it locally, in whether if you live in the UK or if you live in the US, but there are websites out there. Let's say for example, take the website fiverr.com. okay, you can literally go to fiverr.com and get someone in India, Indonesia, wherever it may be in the Far East, to create you a professional logo, okay, for $5. Okay, some of them are $10, some of them are $15. Just go onto fiverr.com, and literally get a professional looking logo. Okay, don't try and make it yourself on Paint and stuff like that. Now you just have to get creative with things. Get friends to look at your website. People around you, actually get those to look at the website and say, does this actually look good? Would you buy from it? Okay, now if the answer is no, you need to change something. Okay, you need to change something. So make sure that your website actually looks good. Okay, because when people are landing on your website, first impressions are everything. Okay, if you go to a website and it looks like it's been designed in the 1980s, you are not going to make sales. People are literally just going to exit off your website and you're just going to end up with a high bounce rate. So start fixing your websites. Really simple to do. Go to Fiverr, get a professional logo done. Again, if you want custom edits or anything like that, again, people in Fiverr, developers can do your stuff for you for literally a fraction of the price that you would be paying here in your local city in, England or, in the States, right? Number 3 is going to be product reviews. If your website has no product reviews or no reviews at all, okay, then you're missing out on conversions. Okay, people like to buy from other people. Okay, us as humans now, how many times, let's take for example Amazon, for example. Amazon, when it comes to e-commerce, Amazon is literally like the Godzilla of e-commerce. Okay, Jeff Bezos makes X amount of money per minute, which makes your eyes water. Now, why is that? Now, why is Amazon so successful? Because one of the reasons why a lot of features that people like about Amazon is the reviews. People can leave reviews. They can express their actual feelings towards a product. They can express how the product is used, if it's good, if it's bad, and stuff like that. Now, people buy from other people. Okay. I've done it myself. You've probably done it yourself at home. You go to a website, you go to buy something. The first thing you do is you jump onto a product page and have a look at their reviews. If someone said that it was crap and 5-10 people say that it was crap, it didn't work and all those sorts of things, you're generally going to try and find something else or find an alternative. Now, what can you actually do to get around this? Now, some actual themes actually have built-in reviews. Okay, what I mean by that is actually you can tick a box on your theme and you can start typing in some reviews yourself. You can literally just make people's names up and make up obviously decent reviews. Now, obviously don't do all of them five star, because then it just looks a little bit manufactured. But what you can do is say, do for example some at 4 star, some at 5 star, just so that it looks real to get your first few reviews. Another tip that you can actually do is actually just get your friends to go to the website. Okay, even your family, literally just get them to jump online, type a review up and leave it on your website. What you can do as well is get apps and plugins as well to literally do reviews as well. Again, I'll drop a link down below to that specific app. I think it's called Lux or something like that, whereby again people can leave reviews on your website. So if you're not doing reviews, you're missing out on a lot of money. So I hope you got some value from this video and it was informative to yourself. If you are making one of those 3 mistakes, please do stop. You can change these things in a matter of days, if not a matter of hours. Okay, it's really simple, really easy. So as a recap, if you do have bad product descriptions, have a look at them. If they're not selling the benefits of the product, then start to think about the actual consumer and why they should actually buy the product. Again, if you have no reviews on your website, then literally start making some reviews, start creating them yourself. If you've got it enabled on your theme, enable it, start writing them yourself, get friends and family to. And finally, if your website is badly designed or you have a bad logo, you've created it yourself and it looks absolutely rubbish, all you've got to do is literally go to Fiverr, go to one of these websites and get a graphic designer to create that for yourself. So just a quick reminder of the giveaway that I'm doing. I'm giving away $250 plus a mentorship call with myself so we can help you discuss any problems that you got with the Shopify store, helping you guys make more sales and give you a little bit of a strategy call to guide you in the right way to scale up to those big numbers. Okay, so once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be picking someone at total random, and if you want to be in with a chance, all you've got to do is subscribe to the channel, drop some comments down on any one of my videos, and again, I'll be picking someone at total random to get that prize. If you haven't dropped into my free course, again, it's 100% free. There'll be a link down below. Get in there and start learning today, creating your first store, how to find winning products, and then how to actually test and launch with Facebook as well. And finally, if you're not in the free Facebook group, all you've got to do is click the link down below, jump in there. I'll be in there. Other marketers are in there helping you guys out as well. And if you want to reach out to me on a personal basis, best place is Instagram. It'll pop up on the screen. Give me a follow, drop me a DM, and I'll be more than happy to have a conversation with you on there. So on that note, that is it for me. I'll be dropping more, nothing but value bombs for you guys, helping you guys make more money online. So that is it for now. You take care, and I'll see you later.
One of the best to ever do it.